Many people have asked me what I think of homosexuality. For believers, the best thing is to decide what you should or should not do in accordance with your faith. Certain Christians say that homosexuality is a serious fault, and others do not. Certain Buddhists accept it, whereas others believe that it is practically the same as giving up being a Buddhist. According to the Buddhist scriptures, there are 10 harmful acts we should avoid, and sexual misconduct is one of these. By this we mean above all taking another person's partner, but it also includes homosexuality, oral sex, anal sex, and masturbation. This does not mean that practicing such things prevents you from being a Buddhist. Apart from erroneous views, that is, believing that the laws of moral causation do not exist, none of the 10 harmful actions, not even killing, entails that one cannot be a Buddhist. Anyone who kills another human being certainly commits a very harmful act. If he is a monk and if he tries to conceal his crime, he breaks his vows irremediably and ceases to be a member of the monastic community. But he can continue to practice his faith.